will be the teacher today, and I will be mixing Tyap with English. So, Tyap language, let me introduce Tyap language to you. First of all, Tyap language is a language that belongs to the Bebe Congo languages in Nigeria. In Africa here, we have about three major families of languages. We have the Niger Congo languages, and then we have the Afro-Asiatic languages, and then we have the Nilotic languages. Now, the Niger Congo languages, they are the largest languages, or the largest family of languages in Africa here. This family starts from Senegal up to Ethiopia, down to South Africa. So you hear when South African person speaks, and like this person is speaking like my language. For example, let me think about a word from Zulu language in South Africa. I can't think about one now. But if you go to our dictionary is a dictionary online written in Tyap. We have a Tyap dictionary by the group under Wikipedia Foundation. And then we also have Tyap Wikipedia. So we are translating English to Tyap. When we go online, we see things in English, we translate them to Tyap. So we can go there and check. So Tyap language belongs to these Niger Congo languages. And languages we have under Niger Congo languages include Yoruba, we have Igbo, we have Wolof in Senegal, we have Bambara in Mali, we have Zulu in South Africa, we have Kikongo in Congo, we have Swahili in in Kenya, Tanzania. In fact, majority of African languages, in fact, almost the whole of sub-Saharan African language and the countries have Niger Congo languages being spoken in them. And then which languages are in the Afro-Asiatic language family? We have Hausa. Hausa belongs to a group called the Chinese languages. And then we have another group called the Semitic group. It's under the Afro-Asiatic language family.